go ahead and click and import your data that you want or have, and you can put a limit to it. For example, you want to import 10,000, 1,000, etc., whatever you want, and then just import it from here. And by the way, if you want any sort of B2B, B2C data, please feel free to reach out to us. We also provide data, so please feel free to reach out to us. Here you will be able to see the companies once they are onboarded or once they are imported through contacts, or you can import them separately. You can see segments here if you have created any. So here you need to create it. I'm going to cancel it. Here are the component sections, so you can see a landing page creation, content creation, forms. So here let's click on the landing form. So here's a blank page. You can even write a code like an HTML code or something, and kind of deploy it. So let's not do that. You can build your campaigns from here. There are multiple channels, social media channels, that you can manage and connect from here. You can create triggers and you can create stages as well. So it's very exciting. You can develop stages. For example, you want to do the first stage, which is contact reached via LinkedIn, or let's say contact established. If you establish a contact via LinkedIn, you give it a point of 5, which is just going to help you qualify leads further when you have a lot of leads. So if someone has connected with you on LinkedIn, that's first stage, which you might consider as a contact. Or if someone has just replied positively to your email, so that might contain 10 points. So out of 100, you are it's a pipeline basically, right? So it's a pipeline stage. So basically you define your own stages. Every organization has a different mechanism, metric, so you define that. And once the definition is met, and once you start reaching out to people and meeting criteria, it adds on to the stages. So for example, you have met the customer, and then you're on stage 4, and that is possibly 30%. So there it is still in a low category. It is not a hot lead, but still you have made progress. So it automatically assigns stages based on the company's organization's requirement. These are some of the information that you can manage, that these are the reports that you want, these are the parameters. So you can decide that as well. You can name the report and kind of draw it out for your organization. So these are some of the features that are out there. Rest, you can try it out, and if you want us to again download it for, install it for you, then we suggest doing it on a VPS. Using a shared hosting will not get you results. You need to have a VPS server for doing bulk mailing. Of course, the bulk messaging fee is going to be minimal. You can probably integrate it with Amazon SES, and the message sending cost on SES is very, very, very cheap. So you can easily manage bulk emails in this manner. If you want to buy a VPS hosting plan, there will be a link in the description box. You can go ahead and purchase it from there and get a 20% discount. If you want us to install this Mautic instance for you, do let us know. Reach out to us. Our email is mentioned in the description as well, so we can manage the entire look and feel for you. We can do the user management, number of users you want to add, permissions, configurations, integrating with Amazon SES, assigning themes, doing white labeling of Mautic and putting your organization name, etc. So please, reach out to us, and I hope I was able to share with you a bit about Mautic.